Planet Jaahrgon, Milky Way, Earth year 1715. Two young space explorers set off from the troubled planet Jaahrgon on an epic quest across the galaxy. The future of their planet rests on their shoulders and the success of this mission. They are headed for a small blue planet orbiting a G25 star in the outer spirals of our galaxy. The inhabitants of this small planet know it as Earth. Will our heroes succeed in saving Jaahrgon? Only time will tell. They've journeyed for centuries through the Milky Way, suspended in cryogenic stasis in special pods aboard their spacecraft. The alarm was set to wake them up 10 minutes before landing on Earth to allow them to guide their spacecraft to a safe landing. But it looks like someone has pressed the snooze button. Oopsie! Prepare for impact.
What just happened, Zing?
Huh?
Oh no, Zing! Can't believe you've crashed the spaceship! Oh, why do I have such an idiot little brother?
And why do I have such a moany big sister? I didn't mean to crash the spaceship. I mean, it's not my fault. You know what I'm like? Sure, the alarm went off, but I was tired because, I don't get enough sleep and I'm sorry.
Oh, you were tired because you didn't get enough sleep?
Yeah.
Zing, we have been frozen asleep for the last 300 years and you couldn't get up 10 minutes earlier to stop us crash landing.
Yeah, all right. I guess it was my fault.
It was definitely your fault.
Okay, sis, but don't shout at me in front of the Earthlings. You're embarrassing me.
Embarrassing you in front of the Earthlings. I don't see it. Woo!
Yeah, but don't worry, sis. I think they're friendly.
Oh, I don't know. They look like weird, scary aliens to me. Especially that one.
Yeah, I mean, they look weird, and their clothes are just bizarre.
Yeah.
But if you think about it, we're on their planet now.
Yeah.
So they probably think that we're the aliens.
Oh.
But anyway, I think they've noticed us.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, they're looking straight at us.
Space farts. What are we going to do?
Okay, gonna try something I read about in Galactopedia.
Yeah. What's that?
I think it's called a wave. Yeah, it means hello here.
Oh.
Yeah, apparently. So maybe we should try do the wave and shout hello.
Okay.
And we'll see if they do it back.
Right. Plan is on 3.
Yeah.
We'll do the wavy, shout hello, see if they shout back.
Yeah.
Do you think they can shout really loudly?
I guess we'll find out.
1,
1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
hello!
Woo! Yeah, they
They can, brilliant. Greetings, Earthlings. I am Zing from the planet Jaahrgon. And this is my know-it-all big sister, Zong.
I'll introduce myself. Thank you very much. Greetings, Earthlings. I am Zong from the planet Jaahrgon, and this is my idiot little brother, Zing. I actually think we have crash landed your festival. Sorry.
Yeah. Oops. Hope you don't mind. We have travelled a long way to be here.
Yeah.
It's taken us 300 years to get across the galaxy to here.
Can you imagine that? I bet some of you weren't even born 300 years ago. Some of you.
Hang on a second, Zong. I was 9 when we left Jaahrgon.
Yeah.
We've been travelling for 300 years. So does that mean I must be 309 years old now?
Mm-hmm.
But I still feel like a 9-year-old.
Of course you do, Zing. We have been frozen for the journey so that even though time has passed We haven't aged at all.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Feels good to get warmed up again, doesn't
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Never. So we were cryogenically frozen in a super cold substance at minus 196 degrees.
Liquid nitrogen.
Exactly. Ooh. Now that's all right for us, but it wouldn't be so good for all of you. You see, Zing, everything on Earth, all living things, are made up of water.
Are
Even
they?
these Earthlings, yeah.
Wow, well, that is so cool. I wish I was made of water.
Oh yeah, but what happens to water when it gets really, really cold?
It gets really cold and it freezes.
Exactly. So, let's see what happens if we were to dip one of these Earthlings in the liquid nitrogen. Any volunteers? One at the front. There's one there as well. I've got two.
Hang on a
Fantastic.
second, Song. I'm seeing some concern on the faces of the larger Earthlings. I'm thinking maybe this isn't such a good idea.
Fine.
Let's do a tester first,
Okay.
right? Here we go. A flower.
Oh.
You see, just like the Earthlings, it's mostly made up of water. But unlike the Earthlings, this actually smells quite nice.
Zing? Does so. Right, in it goes.
Yeah, into the freezing liquid nitrogen, 196 degrees below zero.
Ta-da!
And it looks beautiful.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Just like me. But I actually don't think it's doing so well.
No?
Ready? Hi!
Oh my goodness, you killed it. Look at that, 1,000,000 pieces.
Yeah.
Song,
What?
imagine if we'd used one of them.
That would have been a nightmare.
Okay, my turn now, my turn.
Okay, go on then.
Right, so I get to dip it into the liquid nitrogen.
Yeah, you do.
I get it, and then the water inside freezes it, leaves it really brittle and
Yep.
fragile, so that
Yep.
when it comes out, I can take my fist and crush it.
Too slow.
Anyway, Song,
Yeah.
I'm hungry. Are you hungry? I feel like I've not eaten in ages.
Now you mention it, I'm starving. No, we haven't eaten in 300 years then. And you know how grumpy I get if I've not had any food.
I know how grumpy you are all the time. Anyway, let's find something to eat.
Yeah, all right, okay. Well, flour?
No, I don't want to eat flour.
Maybe
What,
someone's
okay.
got
Egg? Egg? Oh, look, yeah. This earth bird has laid an egg.
How exotic!
I know. Real earth egg. Hey, maybe we can try that famous earth delicacy, sunny side up.
Oh, yes, I want sunny side up. How do we cook it? We haven't got a cooker.
Use liquid nitrogen. That's what I say.
Liquid nitrogen to
Yeah.
cook an egg.
Definitely.
Zing, I think you're out of your mind.
It's gonna be fine, right? What's the worst that can happen?
Well.
Crack that in there. Lovely. And then, as long as you would add some nitrogen in there.
Certainly will. Ooh.
Lovely.
There we go.
Oh, that's plenty. Look at this. Oh, fantastic.
Doing something.
Yeah, that's it. It's these, you see these famous earth chefs, right, on the television? It's the one,
Yeah.
the Heston Blumenthal's and that. You know, he does this. Same thing.
Pretty
Look at this.
2015, to be honest. Then.
Well,
yeah, okay.
look, just like that, it is done. Delicious.
That's disgusting. I'm not eating that.
No?
Yuck, no way.
How about
Zing.
now?
Oh, no. You need to find me something better to eat.
Okay, I'll admit it. That egg
you eat
didn't
that?
really work, did it?
No.
But one of my favourite foods is much better when it's cold.
Oh, yeah.
Who here likes ice cream? I do!
I love ice cream.
Great. In that case, let's make some Jaahrgon fruit ice cream.
Jaahrgon fruit ice cream. Yeah. That's my favourite type of ice cream.
I know, I stowed it away with us.
Oh,
we will
genius.
make this. What I need from you, Zong,
Yeah.
is some liquid nitrogen.
Zing, if you can do this, I'll be quite impressed. Maybe
Oh,
not such a
plenty. There we
idiot
go.
little brother after all.
Wow, that is quite a lot in
Yeah,
there.
put
In
too
fact,
much, so I do
that's
more.
all right. I think I'll just adjust the ratio.
I don't know. Never
There
done
we
it
go.
before.
What's the worst that can happen? Hey, actually, Zong, I think it might be ready. Have a
Really?
look. Yeah.
Oh, Zing. It's not ready.
No?
No.
How about now? You want to take a check?
Oh! Right, I don't think it's ready, Zing. I
Okay.
don't think that's very fun.
No, maybe not. But you see, the liquid nitrogen, what it does is it cools the juice down so quickly. It takes away the energy and changes it from a liquid into a crunchy, crunchy solid. In fact, again, it's going far too crunchy again.
I got too excited
With the liquid nitrogen there, Zong. Goodness me.
We've got much to use up.
We do have plenty, that's true. There we go.
Oh, that sounds better now.
That's, wait a second. Here we go. 300 years. I've been waiting for this.
Oh my goodness.
Yep. Delish. Hi.
That is really yummy. Oh my goodness.
Did you see that?
Oh wow. I've not had enough to eat.
Okay, so maybe
Great.
maybe somebody else might like to try some, Zong?
No. You all said it was all for me, didn't you?
Exactly. Does everyone want to try some? All right, Zong, what did Mum say about sharing? Come on.
Fine. Do you really want to try some? Yeah. Okay then, let's do it. Right, would you like to try some in the front here? Woo! Yeah. Got my sanitizer station going on here. We did the reading before we came. Right. Oh, a big chunk. Keep it in your hands. Share it among yourselves. I'm gonna go up here. Woo! Is your name Ben? Lovely to meet you, Ben. Right, get your hands out, catch that, it might fall, put your other hand underneath it, Mum. I'm gonna go up the back and then I'll come along. Woo, just nicked your back, sorry. Okay, hands out, catch it. I'm gonna put it like that, good luck, enjoy. Would you like some at the very back? Right, who wanted some here?
Did anyone try some already? Is it good?
Okay, that share it amongst yourselves.
Yeah!
Would you like to try some?
Nice. Yeah, you don't grow, those fruits don't grow on Earth, so
No.
quite interesting flavours.
Think about it. Would you like to try some? Oh, it's quite. Right, catch it in your hands there. Balance, you're welcome.
Remember, save some for me, Zong.
Yeah, absolutely, Zach. Don't you worry. Kevin, how many? It won't be a minute. You hold that in your hands. Keep it nice and balanced. Right, I'm making my way over, Zing. There's
Come
plenty for you. 2 more to go. Would you like to try some?
Was it tasty?
Tasty, delicious.
Yeah?
Dad.
Unsure.
No,
Yeah.
no. Literally just fruit juice and liquid nitrogen. Good question though. Oh, there's a massive chunk. Dad, keep that in your hands. All right, Zing.
Great.
Amazing.
For me.
No, there's none left. We have so much work to do, Zing. There's a very important mission that we're here to do. We don't have time.
She's annoying, but she's right. We do have a mission to get on with. Hey, we've been travelling a long time. We should check and see if there are any messages from home.
Good idea. Let's get up the satellite receivers.
There we go. Satellite dish up.
I've got an issue with mine.
Uh-oh.
It's okay, I'll make it work.
There we go. Let's see if we can... Computer, check for messages.
Welcome to planet Earth. You have one new message. Roman charges may apply.
It's annoying.
Incoming transmission.
Greetings, Zing and Zong. This is your president speaking. If you're hearing this, then you must have made it to Earth and defrosted successfully. Congratulations! But the job is only half done. As you know, the situation here is grave. Jaahrgon is quickly running out of fresh water, which is vital to so much life on our planet. We've sent you to Earth, a small but vibrant planet supporting an incredible range of ecosystems, all made possible by that most special of chemicals, water. The Earthlings known as humans have excellent scientific knowledge. Your mission, which you have already accepted, is to find out from the humans what water is made of. Then we may have a chance to produce some here on Jaahrgon. But you must act fast, because the fresh water on Earth is running out. Earth will soon become uninhabitable for the 7 billion humans who call it home. Good luck, Zing and Zong. The fates of 2 planets are in your hands.
Transmission.
The fate of 2 planets, Zing, are in her hands. It's quite a bit of pressure.
It is quite a lot of pressure.
Are you going to manage to do this?
Well, we're certainly not going to be able to do it unless we get some help from the Earthlings.
What a great idea. Yes, Earthlings, will you help us?
Yeah!
Okay.
Good.
Do any of you know what the chemical elements are that make up water?
Hmm.
The front here, yes. Ice.
Ice.
Oh, well, it can turn into ice if it's super cold, can't it?
Yeah. Does anyone know any of the chemical elements that make up water? Shout them out if you do.
Grown-ups are allowed to join in too. Hydrogen.
I knew it.
Okay.
I knew it.
Is there any others?
You can also use liquid nitrogen to smash it, then it can turn into ice. Then you can smash ice with it.
I like this experimenting scientist in the front row.
Good.
I have just heard some oxygen from over here, Zing.
Hydrogen and oxygen.
Yeah.
And those are both gases here on this planet.
Oh, are they? Well, we also have some hydrogen and oxygen in the lab store. We packed all the elements just in case. And you said I'd overpack.
Take it back.
Thank you. Go and get just a hydrogen.
Just a
Zing.
hydrogen, okay.
Yeah, I think the Earthlings will be able to tell us where we could find some oxygen. Any ideas? Shout it out if you know.
Trees!
Trees, they breathe it out, don't they? And it goes into the
Air.
the air all around us.
Ah, of course. You guys even breathe it.
Do they?
Weird. Yeah.
So there's oxygen in the air,
Yeah.
hydrogen in the balloon. All we need to do is release that hydrogen, it will mix with the oxygen, and we'll have water.
Ho ho! I've got the spike.
Oh, brilliant.
Are you ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1.
That's a good pop, but I don't see any water.
Yeah, that didn't really work
What's-
out how I hoped it would.
What's gone wrong?
Okay, so I popped it.
Yeah.
The hydrogen was released, and it mixed round with the oxygen in the air, but they didn't bond together, you know?
Ah, yeah, okay, so how do we make them bond and stick together
Well,
and make water?
Chemicals need energy for them to bond.
Of course they do, yes. I know just where we can get that. Zing, get me another hydrogen.
Okay.
I'm going to get the fire.
Fire?
Yes.
Okay, I've got a feeling, Zong. That's some good thinking. That should have the energy we need.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah.
Now, I've actually never done this before, so I think it might be a little bit dangerous. But, well, we can't save the world if we don't take some risks.
Okay, everyone, I need you to put your hands up like this. Give me a wavy. There we go, and then we're going to cover our ears as we begin the countdown. Are you ready?
Yes.
Here we go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
That was cool. I might have preempted one there, sorry.
That's all right. Wow. Pretty good, right?
That was amazing.
But I feel like it just was something missing a little bit, Zong.
Yeah, do you know what I think it is? We're just using the oxygen in the air all around us. We haven't got the right ratio of hydrogen to oxygen.
So to know that, we need to know the chemical formula for water.
Any ideas?
Oh, does it? Hang on. On 3, can people try and shout it if they know it? 1, 2, 3.
H2O. 2 hydrogen to 1 oxygen.
Okay.
Could you make up a balloon with those ratios?
Certainly.
Brilliant. Oh my goodness, I have a feeling that this will be even more of an explosive mix. So do remember and protect your ears.
That's right, everyone. Hands up like this. Give me the wavy. And we'll cover our ears as we begin our
5,
countdown.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow! We made water! Yes!
Sega still didn't actually see any water.
Of course you didn't see the water. There was a huge explosion in the way. You see, the explosion had so much energy that it changed the water into a gas, water vapor. It needs to cool down and then condense back into liquid water.
I get it. In that case, we should check the condenser tanks.
Exactly, the condenser tank should have water in them.
Brilliant.
Let's find out. Okay,
Amazing.
condenser tanks. There we go.
Brilliant.
Let's see if they've got any water.
Oh,
There we go. Have we got something? Right.
We probably should stop. Now, obviously, that was a pretty big explosion for such a tiny amount of water, but that reaction will be enough for us to get started on Jaahrgon, but we really will have to make sure we look after this water.
Yeah, we should probably put these down, to be honest. Stop wasting water.
Put yours down first.
No. You put yours down first.
No, Zing, I'm older, you put yours down first.
No, I'm younger, so...
Really? Zing, get it on the floor.
Okay, do you promise that if I put this on the ground, you won't squirt me?
I promise, if you put it on the ground first, I won't squirt you.
Pinky promise?
For goodness sake. Pinky promise. Now
Oh.
put it down.
Okay, sis, on the ground.
Zing!
Done! You promised!
You are so immature. We have work to do. Remember the second part of the mission?
Of course.
We need to warn all the Earthlings about how we wasted our water so they don't make the same mistakes. Although I'm sure none of them would actually make the same ones. Okay?
Yeah. Okay, good thinking, sis.
You see, on Jaahrgon, we drained all of our natural wetlands so that we could use that land to build even more houses, farms, and factories.
Actually, sis.
What?
In the past 50 years, Earth has lost more than a third of its wetlands in that exact way.
Oh, okay.
Bad example.
Right, okay,
Okay.
well, so
Yeah.
we polluted all of our fresh water, all our rivers by adding chemicals, sewage, plastics, and now all that water is really toxic to all of the fish and all the other creatures that live in them.
Yeah. Again, since 1970, more than 80% of freshwater creatures are on the down.
Well, that's quite a grim one,
Yeah.
actually.
Oops.
Okay, how
Right.
about this one?
Yeah.
Right. We decided to burn all our fossil fuels that were buried under the ground to give us power. Now, our top scientists said this would be a terrible idea because it would drastically heat up the planet, changing the climate. So we would then suffer terrible droughts and extreme weather conditions. But our leaders ignored the scientists and carried on just as before. And now our planet is completely ruined.
Yeah, but we don't have to worry about that here, sis, because no one on Earth would be that stupid. Yeah, it's
I'm
okay.
seriously getting
I
worried
know,
here.
no, it's okay.
Okay,
They'd never
that's
do that. They'd never do that.
Great.
So great, we've done it. We've completed our mission.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, with the help of the Earthlings, we know water is made from hydrogen and oxygen.
And then its chemical formula is H2O.
2 hydrogens, 1 oxygen. And we've warned the Earthlings to look after their water. Yeah, our mission is complete.
Yes!
All we need to do now is head back to Jaahrgon with this knowledge, and we will be heroes.
Oh, we will, yeah. We'll be on TV.
Oh, yes! Should we get going?
Yeah, let's do it.
Amazing. Oh, thanks, guys.
Yeah. Oh, brilliant. You've been fantastic. And thank you so much. Goodbye, everyone.
Yeah, bye.
Computer,
Lovely meeting you all.
take us home.
Activating launch system.
See you on the flip side, Zay.
So long. Thanks for all the fish.
Zay,
Uh-oh.
what's that?
That doesn't sound good.
Launch system failure due to crash damage.
Oh, dear.
Launch system failure due to crash damage. Well, that's it then. Oh, well, it's ruined. There's no point. We can't carry on. We can't get home. We can't save the planet now.
No, and it's all my fault because I pressed the snooze and didn't get up on time. Oh, you're right all along. I am just an idiot little brother.
Oh, it's okay though. I was saying, don't be upset. Because you're my idiot little brother. And do you know what? Together we'll think of something.
Yeah?
Yeah! We wouldn't have gotten nearly as far if it wasn't for you. You're filled with crazy ideas.
Yeah, but not this time.
No, come on, Zane.
Unless.
What you thought of?
Okay, the Earthlings that we've got here with us today, right?
Yeah.
They knew all about water.
Yeah.
They're obviously very clever.
Oh yeah, we know that, Zing, but how is the Earthlings being clever getting us home?
Okay, because they also have spacecraft of their own. I mean, maybe not them personally, but hopefully they'll be clever enough to know how to make them.
Okay. All right, Earthlings, Earth scientists, what is the craft called that you blast off into space in? A rocket. No doubt about it.
rocket?
A rocket. What shape is your rocket? Yes, shout it out to me, rocket shape, thank you.
A cylinder.
Like the cryopods.
A cylinder like the cryopods. Zong, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
I think I am.
Oh, we
Go
can
on.
turn these cryopods into mini rockets and get ourselves home.
Zing, that is a genius idea, well
Yes.
done. But the tops don't look quite like a rocket, do they?
No, Earthlings. What? Can everyone make the shape of a rocket top with their bodies? Let me see. Look, I'm seeing some of this.
Pointy cone.
Of course, to cut through the air, help it fly faster. But
Okay.
what could do is that?
Pointy
What could we use as a
cone-shaped
cone?
thing to cut through the air. What about the satellite receivers?
Genius, yes. Okay, let's get
Amazing.
these fitted to our. Let's
Gonna
move our cryopods.
move it forward.
Yeah, that's a good idea. There we go.
So the roof isn't in the way. Okay, let's fit these to the pods.
There we go. Woo. Lovely.
There we go.
Yeah,
That looks kind of all right.
it
Perfect.
does. Yeah.
That'll do for now.
But I think if they're not going to be very stable, Zong, you know, they're going to flop around all over the place when we're flying. There's nothing to channel the airflow.
That's true. Oh yeah, we need to channel the airflow. You know I get travel sick.
Yeah, I do. And I have to clean it up.
What do you put near the base of your rockets to help it fly straight? Boosters. Okay, we have got
Boosters. Okay,
engine
yeah, there's boosters.
Boosters. Is there anything else you add? What were you going to say? Like the wingy things. What's the official name for rocket wingy things? Shout that out to me.
Fire!
Oh, we will use fire.
Oh,
What do the fish have when they dart through the water? What do they? That's the word I'm looking for. Thank you. Ben, right?
you got it there, yeah. Right. So what can we use as fins?
Fins.
Why don't we just break off these ends of the
Yes.
spaceship?
Perfect.
There
Got
we go. And crack that off. There we go. Pop it on here.
it. Here we are.
Nice. Okay,
We have two
great.
things.
All right, so we're finished now then, right? Ready to blast
Oh,
off.
well, hang on. As has been suggested, we need some fire, don't we? What do we see out the bottom of rockets? Flames and fire, because they use that energy to launch themselves out of the Earth's atmosphere and into space. But I do have rocket fuel with me. The only thing is, we will need to test it to make sure it burns hot. If it does, it will be absolutely perfect to launch us into space. So would you mind testing it for me, Zing?
Sure.
Thank you.
What do I need to do?
So, all you'll do
Right.
is hold the fuel in your hands with your
Okay.
hands away from your body.
Yeah.
I'll set it on fire.
Okay.
Tell me if it burns hot.
Hang on a second. I hold the rocket fuel. You set me on fire.
Yeah?
This doesn't sound like a good idea.
Don't be such a wimp. I thought you were hardcore.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. I'm hard. It's fine. We'll do
Right.
it.
There we go. Take a scoop of that. This is exciting.
Oh my goodness.
Come on over here.
That's a bigger scoop than I intended,
Wow,
Zong.
Zing.
That really is.
You sure? Well, we're
Yeah.
going to go for it anyway. Give him a countdown, everyone. 3, 2, 1. Woo!
That
Wow.
was toasty.
I felt the heat from here. That was good. Well done.
Yeah, thanks.
Should we do it again? Just to make sure.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah, I mean it's just lucky that people on our planet don't have any arm hair.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Can imagine the smell that would be on you
Yeah.
today?
Okay.
It would be a joy.
Right.
Oh,
there we
wow,
go.
Zing.
I know. That was. I mean, I didn't mean it. Let's get closer to them this time. There we go.
In 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Okay.
Definitely. Yeah, he deserves a round of applause.
Yeah. Woo, woo.
Let's move that whole box.
That's it, yeah, get that out of the
over
way.
there. Now, Zing, it's for sure hot enough, and maybe that stuff too, hot enough for us to launch ourselves into space. All that's left to do is test our engines.
Okay.
Okay, so we've put some rocket fuel in these engines, and they're a wee bit tangle-mangled, so we'll just undo that now.
That's okay, yeah.
Now we're going to ignite that rocket fuel,
Okay.
and then it will catch fire. All the hot gas will come flying out the bottom of the engine, and then the rocket will be propelled in the opposite direction.
Oh, so you mean if this works, then we can go home?
Yes.
Brilliant. Okay, here we
You
go.
got your line up, Zing.
Yeah, I'm in at this side.
I'm in at this side.
All right.
Okay.
There we go. Don't worry. It's going to be all right. How do you have a countdown here?
Let's do a countdown from 5,
5,
4,
3, 2, 1.
Woo! Oh, Zing!
Oh, yes. That works
Absolutely
pretty well. Lovely. All right, Zong.
I think we can add these to our boosters that the guys mentioned and get ourselves
Brilliant.
started.
Okay, here we go. All right. Rocket fuels.
Rocket fuels. It's like a Russian doll.
There we are. Oh, okay. Have we got that there?
Yep.
Looking good. And now, we probably need some liquid nitrogen to refreeze ourselves.
You get the nitrogen set for refreeze.
Okay.
And I will thank the Earthlings so much for all of your help. We could not have done it without you. But do remember and look after your water. And if any of you want to do the 300-euro trip, you are welcome on Jaahrgon any time you like.
Yeah, thank you, Earthlings.
Zing?
Remember to look after your water. It is super precious. Your planet can't survive without it. But you've been fantastic. We'll tell tales of your warmth and generosity across the galaxy. Now,
Nice meeting you all, guys.
it was great. Hang on 1 second.
Into the all right there, Zing.
Yeah, I'm okay. I just lost this.
You should
There we go.
Safety at all times.
All right.
All right, into the rocket pods.
And goodbye, everyone. Thank you so much. You've been wonderful.
Bye, guys.
Let's have our countdown.
Computer, launch the
5,
system.
4, 3, 2, 1.